Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we are going to solve another question, that is best time to buy and sell stock. In this, you are given an array of prices where the price indicates the given stock price of the day. In that, you have to find one day to buy a stock and another day in the future to sell that stock, and you have to maximize your profit. That is the condition, and if you can't maximize your profit, then you have to return 0. So let's take an example and understand. For this example, you can see the first day price is 7, then it is 1, then it is 5, then it is 3, then it is 6, then it is 4. So here we select 1 as the buying day and 6 as the selling day. Then our profit will be 6 minus 1, 5. In this array, the second example, we can see that whatever day we are gonna buy any stock, we are gonna lose our money only. So there is no possibility of getting maximum profits. So we have to return 0 here. So to solve this, there are two approaches. One is brute force and one is optimal. So let's understand both of those approaches with the help of these examples. Let's take the first one to see the brute force approach. On the starting day, the price is at 7. On the next day, the price goes to 1. It falls. Then on the next day, it jumps again to 6. And on the next day from that, it goes down to 3. After that, it goes to directly 6. Then on the next day, it goes from 6 to 4. So this is the graph for the first input. So here the price is at 7, then 1, then 5, then 3, then 6, then 4. So the brute force approach says that check all the prices of every pair that you can form in this array. So basically 7 1 it's loss, 7 5 it is a loss, 7 3 it is a loss, 7 6 it is a loss, 7 4 it is a loss. So there is no profit. So you can say you can take a profit here, and the profit is actually 0 till now. Now when you go to 1 1 5, the profit becomes 4. Now 1 3, profit is 2, but you have maximum profit 4. Leave it. 1 6, the profit is 5, so we are gonna place 5 here. And 1 4, the profit is 3, we are not gonna replace profit. Now 5 3, 5 6, 5 4, 3 6, 3 4, 6 4, you are not gonna get maximum profit instead of this. So whatever this value is, you are gonna return, and it is your maximum value. And this approach will take the time complexity of big O of n square, because we are gonna loop all the values, we are gonna find all the pairs and check for every price, and this time complexity is not needed. Interviewer will not be happy with this time complexity and will want you to optimize this further. So let's take a look at the optimal approach. So for the optimal approach, we take two variables. One is minimum price and second is max profit. So we say max profit is 0 and the minimum price is the first value, that is 7, because that is the starting point of our array. So 7 was the starting point in the array. So we are going to start our loop from the next variable, that is 1. And we are going to check if 1 is less than 7. Yes, that is less than 7. Then that means that it is the minimum price. So we are going to replace 7 with 1. Before doing that, we are going to check the price difference. 1 minus 7, it is minus 6. So we are going to not replace minus 6 with 0, because 0 is greater than minus 6. So it will be replaced by 1. Now we go to the next value, that is 5. 5 minus 1, it is 4. 4 is greater than 0. Yes, it is greater than 0. We are going to replace it. And 5 is not less than 1. So we are going to move to the next value, that is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 is not greater than 4. Then we are going to check, is 3 less than 1? No. Then we are going to move to the next value, 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. Is 5 greater than 4? Yes, it is. So we are going to replace max profit with 5 and we are going to check, is 6 less than 1? No, of course not. We are going to move to the next value, that is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 is not greater than 5. Then we are going to check, 4 is less than 1? No, it is not. So we are going to move and we are out of bound. So the array is finished and we got our max profit. So this is the optimal approach that we are going to use to completely check what is the maximum profit we can get in a one go. So the time complexity for this algorithm is big O of n and the space complexity is big O of 1. So let's see the code in action. So first we are gonna need the size of the array, that is n, that we can get with the help of prices.length. After we get the length, meaning the n, we are gonna declare our two variables, that is max profit, that will be 0. Also we are gonna declare another variable, that is min price, that will be the first value of the array, meaning the first value of prices, that will be prices of 0. After we get all these values, then we are going to start our loop from the very first value, that is after 0, that is equal to 1, and the loop will go to the nth value and we are going to do I plus plus. So first we are going to check if our minimum price is actually minimum, meaning that prices that we have currently, that is prices of I, if it is less than min price, then we have a new min price. Okay, so we are going to replace that. So if prices of I is less than minimum price, we are going to replace the min price with prices of 1. Else we are going to check if by subtracting the minimum price from the price list that we have currently have, that is prices of I, that actually is greater than max profit. If it is greater than max profit, we are going to replace the value of max profit here and we are going to replace it by the same value that we are getting bigger. After this is complete, we are going to return the max profit actually. So this is the only code that is required for checking the best time to buy and sell stock. Let's run this code and check if it is correct. And as you can see, this is correct. Now we need to submit it and check if all the test cases are passing or not. Okay, we have one test case that is failing. Oh, by mistake I have written one here that should be prices of I. Let's submit this code and check. So as you can see, this is success and we have completed the code. Let's meet in the next video. Please like, subscribe and share this video as much as possible. And if you have some questions, please let me in the comments below. Thank you guys.